Kejagum, manijingum, kumo, ejanaso, kumo, ejanaso, kumo, sayabana, ejanaso, kumo, ejanaso, firebone, rastaman, matiasi krom, kumo, brabesha, mashashia toso, kumo, mabasia, mechato so, kumo, metadia, ayato meso, kejagum, manijingum, kumo, ejanaso, kumo, ejanaso, kumo, sayabana, ejanaso, kumo, ejanaso.
Eyampasa yabana ejanaso ewie jemetie fo nyina ha mobi bia kwa ba na eyebnada branson se ewie trans agodie mo nsema yato di Liberty PM Power Sports abedwafo nyina trans be room ewa manfo cross latest and update yensa ka nyina ye baba ye ho adwuma na onum sa ha ne trans ya ye ma ho felesa ekoso crowds na so ye na enche transfer window no enso ebetimi close latest bay enewie a free crowds na kache enso eba prof odiebe ram na wama ye hodie ekoso nyame ya toma eda eye memleda ena English Premier League no enso esha se so far preparation no say ena eko our crowds na so ye de monkomo nyina enso eba here we go latest biaba na anase ebi enyamaye na ebiaba ehemfa ena player na eko de monsempi ebetimi asomo ena ewie ye ba fia efi samne donson onim say 31st ordinary congress enso eguso a etwegu pram na enkomodia ekoso no yensa kabi owura ket enso edinkomo pi Harry Asante twum eye kasama for the Ghana Football Association opanyin enso edinkomo ene nkomo a free crowds na so ye eba ene wie ya transia ye de beso nkopem se nonan ebebode ne yantra na ye no wo enhwemomo mamenko na menko ma bedwafo no enso atnase na memusam sasai ena omhotie okọ Facebook a My Liberty FM on Facebook. Jumedian bibia so edi dema enya asam keto akra prof
Losky.
Good afternoon sir.
Good afternoon.
Bema say bibia bokodi.
Oh, nyame adwo be ndeng. Ahwodin wo ho.
Oh okay. Ye da body ase.
Ahwodin wo ho.
Fantastic.
Bibia ye fine.
Okay.
Bibia ye fa. So ho ye de.
Oh, nyankopon da Roma de pa bia chie de.
Nice one. Very necessary.
Apomden strong ko ha.
Ehia pa.
Ehwodin se twede sem no.
Ehia pa.
Ene ye Tuesday. Wa ko market ni ma ba na. Okay.
Ene akalombo kra mentra ho.
Oh, akalombo ye hen no.
Akalombo ye o sane bakayoko pepo na. O sane free na. On se police station on sane free ni da ko nyina ya kalombo sa de kwase o nyina.
Oh, okay.
Babi ya Baptist aso no won ko nyina ya kalombo.
Oh, okay. Ndu nya ntra ho kra.
David me mfa ho kra. Me kra me do police station man hwe kwa no sompo. Yeah, ko bibia ofie. Ya ye bibia be go.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
ba o top wo sha aya na ma Philippa.
Oh sir.
Yes.
Wow.
Design Manchester United. Yine kopa.
Meja she.
Sa.
Yeah, meja she.
Obebo.
Da
fatal.
Bia wo ya farinti meja atade ne she.
Fatal.
Meja she.
Ene Manchester United yin jersey a ye be chen season we ne match.
Also die. What's that? I say sea blue be room say
sea blue they say City for there. We near Chelsea for.
Davi. Odi no.
Chelsea for there nye sea.
Odi eye blue, enye sea blue kra, eye Chelsea. Aso
but and na gas mo combination here. Because Manchester jersey black wom.
Sa
me won se me nua ball black no kra me feel am no. Kofi se bibia bokodi aí.
Tama boko.
He said they wash share ball black. Na just na red and black na okay kako.
Mu jersey dey na black wom.
Manchester black in him.
10th jersey another 4th jersey another away jersey another.
Oh, jersey be chen season black room. And I won't share.
And me here.
Na in lines na Adidas.
Omo ya
say clear lines no black.
And the jersey na we kotum.
say
black there we just
na mo de akọ.
No match sata.
Enti na muta se kokko mo ball.
Yes ndi yetumi she ko ba bia. Mo frɛ yetumi she. Ba awiem ho aye fe.
So my fe.
Mo dress no ye kama.
When na so de na ye.
Aya montan she.
O si attache.
On the chest is
ye attache.
Oh there be say we know.
Let's go the whole week men ro.
Like we nya be jam blue.
Da wo da fada.
Yes.
Ko blue wom.
Atade wo so pepper.
O me tan wo pepper. Na o twi nyina she.
Yes.
The blue there ye. Who say na yi no ho.
Yeah.
So top na.
Yes.
Blue na yi no ho.
So when you boss wa and color. When you
ya ka che bia do bia.
Mutuntum ne ye. Mutuntum ya tashe. So bia ho ye.
Ya me adom.
No body ase. Menim say ebia de nkomo pi na ho ya de ba. What the latest ba na?
Latest wo. Latest so pa na on say no am the story ba say Park Academy.
Okay.
Ya so aye shi. Losky similar update asaba. Similar you.
Attorney ana. Good news ana say.
Dabi. One say no 20 years na buy. Na almost case no. Afina mpeni for no better ase.
Okay.
Na oma okra no. 20 years.
Ano ye oma okra.
Yes. That's a minimum.
20 good
years.
Yes,
oma okra no. So we do 4 case in mo.
Okay.
Omo no 20 good years.
Good years. Wow.
Tie no ye asama da Park Academy supporters so.
Oh, okay.
So case na die serious no.
Ano what den.
Ye bank rollers and so mudi asam ni wie. Na se wo di fa.
Aso hye beba.
Ni panti say eye judge no. Oh, what the hoye mo me hwe so si dim anim na wa ma no kra no
20 years.
20 good years.
Okay. Ye hwe de be free ma ba.
Ama pressure da ye so.
Sisi anso the movement na cause for players no.
Yeah.
Omo ye movement pa call crowds ahodo.
Yes. Ba kwada na e friend eye Carlos Baleba no. Ene made the video bi beto Facebook no so.
Bo
na amanfa hwe kwada ne bo.
De ekone de waje atum se Manchester na no bebo.
Anapa me story bi anapa wan team ya na.
O de ekone de say me anytime bia me reading the story maybe wura ha krampo no. Obi anko ho o Manchester nko.
Yes, but mo nyankoi. Mo nyankoi.
Ti abete ko na
Mama ready we ma. Was Manchester United could take part. We can pose heart.
Okay.
Mama in fact we name before say. We need more than.
Okay.
They me babe come out. Okay, any.
Na the tennis player na ngasa dia.
What mama in come out.
Okay.
Whatever. Was Manchester United are say planning to pursue a move for Brighton and Hove Albion player.
Okay.
Carlos Baleba. And are confident was say and are confident that personal terms for the midfielder won't be an issue.
Any issue.
Mugambe same ocheche mami.
Okay. Ti enana o ka no. O de mon ka mo de na wi.
There be pop can.
Was Manchester United are still planning to pursue a move for Brighton and Hove Albion player Carlos Baleba and are confident that personal terms for the midfielder wouldn't be an issue.
Manchester fogu so edwendwe
okay
se ombenya player we na omutiri se omuko tono nko ada na se omunya na enema betima kosmo mun se timi aka no eti omunsa nyanka omunya ni nkomo na omodwe ho so be ko
yes
personal terms ne de ye player no
chairman ade no mo waka no ante
personal terms ye player no
if you one side never
ye player ne din komo aye man 130
a
week any a day man
opani
waje 112
opani you can ye want
our Brighton ho and for now ne de personal terms ye ne na wi
Manchester fan
aka say ye ne Brighton
Manchester fan
na ye megu akwan mu
Manchester fan me pa you can Tiana
was say
Manchester United website
would not meet and happy
there be not after na ye konem ye would did you say akwadaa personal terms be ya adwuma and just oba na ho na ho ni so oba we die e dia mgo se ne pa oba pe mo munya nse ne pe asem nyina ni
so oba na
we die oba we die
we die for na ye ntwa so because
this ye twa so
Manchester United player bi e be kon bi en wa shaking it this season wa wo so it say no
na we die dey for dey we die asem gyina ho
we asem ho
na mampo suro se bia na modikan adi hu nkoma sa munya ni ne ho komoti amampo sha se bo wura
okay obi awura
mu say you say ba say sa wo kwa branch fen Carlos Baleba na on the last season obai
on check
oba on shidan chesa
David afi ba kupe
na omo ton mu key players eti omo hwe se akwata wi no
okay
so me ton no kro na ebe next season
ya asali
na James Suma ready season player no catch player that catch him pay for say omo ntono na oko
ariya ton ni
se unya ko eye Cameroon
na musika o ya ton
woti me pa to nya matre oko Cameroon sisi a abusia panyin akwa ntoma eti acha
abusia panyin na de
David Emma omame enso ede ne ntoma
ana tane safo kura de akire
na ne nia no nyina
abusia
abusia
contract
o ma free agent aka kire nse open gese sika na eba ne modu oye ko bibini
na ada wan show
oye
dabi omo obi tima na
tie oye Africa ni
dabi
be say your personal term asem na make
why
ne personal terms asem na make
personal terms o maka na waza de no
we ye latest eba se abusiafo enso lazy miam se for now no di
abusiafo de se on se abraboro se obodu a certain level bia uni into family bia
it's what ho
ebi se number free me
se why
so me number ya enye Ghana asem eti se obo eti nyabusia is it abu ye
abusia
ise wo mo de level na ba ko
na agent se Manchester player aya na church for na yemo ya
na dabi de wo hu na wo kan tse wi se o mu se mo kasa mo pe na mom ye wo mu ni se na ho ye mo fe na mo ntimi se ne pe e poto sa na tie for Manchester United news now
demo kanyina matemase
itafe wati ase tinya busia akọ ne ntoma mu bia ache cha de ba
window no be cross no na ye good news edema Manchester
United there was no bia
pentia United fana ka wakoma to yem
bia na ache nkofo
na sisi no Donnarumma enso ba
wa ba ko kra
this nkwara
among for
43 onya kwada ka
26 years
26 years
Donnarumma
o ton se beto mo ma
Donnarumma
onya kwada o tetino ma pono ade tetino ma ko fa ketwa de na ba o ma ko fa Chabali
yes
se onko onyini
na se confidence
somebody ade atwa
bia betra say goalkeeper crowd mo na onyini no na ogani mo
ba we dia dia wa flop no mu ade esi man fo kwa pamu no na dimo ye ni
ye pe
na de tranka pia ji fo kwa
Manchester de pe
mo de say Rejected Stone
akosika se
mo na ko ye di here kwa mo pe
is that how ye kum die
ye ndisa unya di here kwa mo
ye come on na
this here ko
sika mo sa ko fa kwa fo mo pe
o mo pe no won na to na body Manchester ye da obi na no boy bi platform bi am o Manchester bi bia na ye de mika ne ko mo na Mbappe kwa mo pe
ye come on na mbra de sika na e kasa
pusi kana we
ba ye player bi mamo mo fa Nicolas Jackson
oh yes the best striker in the world
oni dey say wa boss sound
ba ya
wa boy pass sound
onya team
che won na Ghana to onya team
akona bre
Chelsea for ni black
ye nya bre
mo we fa ni yen sika fa yen ya di
na mo so me Jackson yen sika na
say ni player pan ya to na wi
na say to player pan na to na wi
mate yan komla for your room
okay right so for yan kanka focus na yan ka latest no and from now twumade so ba the three ones me yan trust the PM Power Sports no and so adi para enema so atime utim se and some to see pa ya ko Facebook no Mali Party FM on Facebook announce so ko TikTok so and so Mali Party FM on TikTok so ko YouTube and so the same account and Mali Party FM and so on YouTube no na uswo timi akɔhwɛ so ne kama na enema enso tawe pe yakɔ yesɛ yakɔ na yakɔ falle days and update now enso tapa na enema enso timi kama eti pe ya hyase apantia ye fe levi kowe apantia kopra eti enopania ye fe no ayetesen enso Maresca ye wo coach etimatima ye fe Chelsea popokoro wasi ye mfon tutase wo mu kotima ye fe mpanya lefakusi wo mu kofa ayipe pa kwamre be hyete no na se bi penso timi kama apantia fe ayipe no apiro he can be akwata yopono ne performance ewo so yepa eti piro he can be and the change tem no ene akwata ni so tenka mo sen and won so peti bi ajetom no na paye Leverkusen ayetim so tebi ajetom na pantia ye se piro he can be and so teben kama ene efo pa mete wan saron and so etuta na akwata wo so yepa 23 ayetesi we aye report one features so pa ana mete WhatsApp enso atoja me pa topi yenkwen me na fatia kama me na yempompi ipapi posa na pepe so timye kama ene ma me mfan tutwa we ayo pania ye fe Ronaldo woni opania ye fe Luka Modric na ene so twa aye sampani fo wia tese omo ene so twa mfona the year 2004 ilo so bi etotwa na omo si yemfan tutwa sen ene pese omo si akan ewo ta irosunyina wo mnyina ekwa retirement and openia ye fe Ronaldo and bantia ye fe Luka Modric enko naka mo bekaya openia fe Ronaldo no wo se kan tema ye fe anasa and openia ye fe Luka Modric ensa kan tema ye fe ayetase ayepo ko asimla etwe kakra efo pa mete WhatsApp enso etuta ewo tumadi so enya sanketaka we kakra efo pa info tuta se obekai ayechese gamer etotwa FIFA club World Cup final Chelsea team na against ayetima ye fin Paris Saint-Germain PH po bokoro after game na Chelsea and team aye fero Chelsea PH atom level ka tom se pema yenyan kwata team ye ni petia peteno and you be a fin and a PH and on petty mouse stop here and that more coquosa and in Patapani guy can a muye and you know Panama champions are and to tell some fun quatawing and so Delco Wamuchamu Bravo Woto and my FIFA club World Cup potential and so Jeffrey Tima ye fin Paris Saint-Germain some no after side came on Passion and to qua ne Luis Enrique Coca Pie and Tata Quatana ye fin John Pedro Sawo Upata Pay Aquata Ketro Ufetima ye fin Pantin Timate it's a lower club and a Patase Upaya Upatitiania Tatia and after side came on just as Sotron Sempe and a Timotota our side came on and almost young fun to Tassen and a UEFA Super Cup Kima Ebetuta and so Kima Tima Fin page against Popokwa ye fin Ayas a Totianon and the name Kobu James Just tron and so petty to jaw Nanka and our pension penia ye feel Luis Enrique Nanka what Timmy and your part and a report to per se a discipline committee now woman away rifa ominion dear some way and your penia ye feel Luis Enrique and so petty me pincha and tomato FM PAG away rifa super capital nan penso to me come on and to Paris Saint-Germain Timno at way a penia ye feel Luis Enrique one so sansano and I'm to town ever to money so enya sanketaka we some kakra and 4 pound to was some and so tomorrow ever to money so now change the first young fun to say a bunch from Benjamin Pafota 1 second Timatima you in Tamlana Kotawin was the performance a ketwa and you make pa and so tomorrow one more trust on some petty caro and then a person from ye pan I have 20 million euros and the Chelsea and so petty meter pedia kupa game no omunta convertima ye Inter Milan no omunsanka pantia ye fem Benjamin Pavard no pepe so timia kama ye so ye montawe e rumor say petty me yantuma no pepe so atemi pen Chelsea timran ye be sense nyame yantuma sisia ayi weekend se ye be share rain e chese enye kwata enye chese nye sisia amam 40 tia ko pema ene saudi agwa waso pay siye pa enti ene team sino bia enso ania promo ye recruitment transfer emwa shishia me de want some enso entuta ewo tumade siye nkwanime na fatia kama me na ene saudi woni chema nyami ya ntoma na La Liga enso pesha on the 15th of this month coming Friday. Na ene game se me to ta sei na setia ye penye Girona omni po bokwa ye fe Rayo Vallecano na peshosie enu eye fighting na Villarreal po pokoro e be shetwe fe Ray Oviedo na omuso ta poli kama na on Saturday ye penye Deportivo Alaves omni po bokwa ye fe Levante UD enso te pepani ye penye Ray Mallorca omni FC Asante Bosa foro mon chanson fama me say Nyami Antuma 20, 2024, 2026. I say Nyami Antuma coming Saturday, and I'm giving a message against Ray Mayuka. Nepe so to me come on 8 p.m. and a tell particular camera and so pay to me to tell post at Timno on Beko wing. And Nema and so to pay and Tamam of Valencia, a bit of your 20 ma. You feel rain so sonata, roaming a Saturday comes here, a petuta, young something ya yentwe kemse metimi atuka na on Sunday ya penyentima ya fensata viko on the 17th of August now wamni popokwan ya fenkate fete peyantam so atotko pepao enu ayetima ya Nanke Williams ebo wamni tima fensavia enso te peyantam so ya penye LSRCDS epanyo wamni atotko martin enso te peyantam so we aye kemsia on Saturday by and so a petty meatuta we a Sunday Monday na Monday penny 80 woman repetis na omachaponi na rima tomu first game of the season a new week Namia to my Tuesday on the 19th of August and rima so Petra Santiago a better bill omni pobokwa ye for Osasuna na omuso tapan to a 2025 a 2026 La Liga and a metili testano nasa metamo ewo chubadi swa enyan sanketa kwaton and see some kakra a four pa metewa samenso eltuta ewo chubadi 8 p.m. kwani na pepe so timia and Mami Kotiban, ye fe Paris Saint-Germain, and ye PG, na and ye PG Timo, a Malcoto, what tabby, na akwatawe na ota face pokrosro almost 22 good years na ye ferom akwatawe ye Elia Zapani na akwatai was sign contract until 2030 and akwatai ko Portugal na Timotima ye fem Paris Saint-Germain na pepe so timie kama na ofi omaya ye fe Ukraine and akwatawe mpo wo ko pia Timotim na ye fe PH no enyansa ketokwa on the face of September and akwatawe tesi Elia Zapani waronso omotim na year 2002 and omo papa water face pokrosro enti munya hwose apofi omuso mu wiamu masa atena atweo social portal face pokuswa na yesiwe over 22 good years masa atena hadin abebe phone na mote tasamono tasamu wia emfiem ne antate na se 80 ne antate na kwatawe wenu 22 good years bema atiri mo hwram enti wei ayopania ye fi Elia Sabani wonso nsem metia total ewo tomadi so anyansa nketaka enti yentwe se ne performance so petimi konkan entamotima ye fi Paris Saint-Germain enti piyem kwenim na fatia ka to so na yempon epe pasa na pepe so timia kama mama yinko Manchester United asoye na NSA na setien openia ye fi Ruby amorim say yam fun to tase ene appontia ye fi Anthony San kwatawe no woro wakan tata sanse woro wantin to some for the ketrama sansom fa ene kwatawe ntim bia e petema fa kwatawe so wanye tiba nko pema woro enya ntia wo betchin ewo tima ye fi Manchester United asoye etopenia ye fi Ruby amorim waye tintin waye bai that waye tenten San kwatawe teminim ponia Pentia, Yef Anthony enter Popenia, Yef Ruby Amorino, was say a quatawen on pair 80 and Penimfunta at all costs, no Amumpa Bima quatawen for before say a Tom Fen and swat Timmy Acroso, 8 and some Kakra, a young Ruby Amorim, and a Pentia, Yef H. Anthony Soyepa, and a Metewa some and Sutamo, ever to Vadius and Yansan Ketaka, young criminal of Fatsakamami, Nayam Point Pipa. Na kwatani we akwatawero ye fe Carlos aye Baleba and ye timo ye fe Manchester United ayo munta ye susa kwatawe dati piano e wase omunsa timikano na obepia tima ye fe Manchester United na ene report fe penia ene otatima ye fe ni aye chese e to fe Belgium so ye pass ye mfan tutase akwatawero je to be honest akwatawero say omuka somo tona ayate pa jinsense already omo e was some key pace bia and omotimeje tomu kwani atadira kwatawi pa ye nchen enti enije omo so petimi atrase akwatawi enso petimi anstay na me ye to touch piano omo so timi atoronti omo so muntemi tomu key pace and same season enti pass pa fatomo enti we e tesia e fit from Brighton Wolf pe epa efa bunch Carlos aye Baleba na kwatanan kasa te individually when Manchester United team dia enkopo ne mpemfose be wan ba ye nchen it stay transikakra na omumie watiase se penyami ya to touch PS ya toma ye penye sikaputuo na be penso timi kama it we enso latest ya If you Pentia, you think Carlos Baleba, Soyepa, and I'm a two some ends to able to body Senyan Saint Ketaka, ATPM Kenim, not Fantia come for to so, ye pony P passa, na ye quam and so, Mammy Fun to send, or Penny Fan take away sporting director, and Tematima, ye MC passa, na and a passa Penia, ye feel one porter, fell paper service and some questions say, Pema ne Parising. Ede wucha kwata ye ni ko matrase pema wono pema atintaje wo pe kwa kwani atatia because una sporting director eti ene sanima nkoye mfomo pedia ye ni ko matake penta put defender na chese PS atene ha twa pema e was management atrase na ene contract termination atene ha twa pa o manya hwe emfemfo branch no ene oko enteyete ha twen eti ene openia ye fin one reporter from Penia, ye fin take was one petrate and some kakra on a bunch ya, ye fit an income matresia, and they oko earn a sa our Saudi Arabia, and to way a young command, and so from Palmet to one summer, and so to try ever to when you saw, and young San Ketaka, and to way and so kakra fopa, may part young queen me, not Fantia Kamame, young cook face Pocoroso, not for Toto Slam, Pierce to Timia Kama, we a BECHEM School and JC number 30 and Popokwa ye fe Manchester United and Bantia ye fe Benjamin Sesko eti ono and PFS Pokoroso on fertile to dia kwatawe Chese ne sesu ne asumina wase ene tatu na waso ye tatu de Benjamin Sesko no wode onfanta ko entina wopa until 2013 and was number 30 just now Benjamin Sesko every 80 of a Baltimore water entimatima ye fe Manchester United 80 this is it so number 30 bia e Bantia ye fe Benjamin Sesko na ono ene number 30 now from Manchester United, where I am Kama, and so many day with Comedy so, ATPM credit, not photo to so paper, and Tachini Postocra, and then ye point papers, na ye quimsa, Mammy fun to sing, and you may sit also ye, a bunch ye from what they quote the Gosro, a Quatawins, and their own papian for Sir or Qua Amana so Quatra, and the own papier punch echo, either or stay, and us and they all 50 ye ye fe ese remodeling na Man City na also interest our kwatawe mo enwa medro unsempan and latest na say team fe Man City o man so interest o for tete for penia ye fe Pep Kedra nkasa and also interest our prayer mo say enemperimfo no mo mperimfo tinkamo na akwatawe feron chese rodikoro once emana banter matima ye fe Man City na pepe so timia kama enempempem ne wokasete enkomotwe enso timia sase ona bantia ye fe rodiko ye wo se kantematima ye fe chese remade so petme patuma entema Paris Saint-Germain PSG team no na enema enso atimi ayekama we enso ensem kakra efre pente fero wodi kokuwe so asoye pa ena metema twumani so enya secretary tepe yankwe na fatoto so pay ipa pe pasa ta tini posokra mamayinko Arsenal opini femi ke ateta ena Mikel Arteta se yem fon to twase omutim no ene je utim say yes gradually enema enso etimi ekoyi pa etimomo se otwe pre-season kemisia chese team na ye fit Arsenal employee na otwe pace na omonso ba ya chese omo performance gradually enema so betimi ekoyi na osemanfo criticize point ya ye Victor Tokos na no gima akwatane point ni manhira nkoye mfama akwatana ye fit Tokos no na wose ye mfam to dwase ene omunya potem mfama akwatano wenye adoption ene so nya adopte kama na se game plan be to me for kwatana amasa amanfo pe kwatani different performance wo put to tima ye first supporting say pero wo say chesewani a bit me pressure times 3 and so on pantia ye fe some Victor Tokos tima ye fe Arsenal etwe ayopania ye fe Mikel Arteta ene defender panchano and am tewa some enso eltuka ewo tumades ATP yankwenime na fatia kama me enche me pa me sifo na opani Robert Losky and so tibia toso na pepe so tibia kama mama infam to tase and opania ye fe gebe agbala ho and old pantia ye fe say ASANTE Isaac or to the force bema nyamutere na ene sauko team na ene team no asome ton so ntone adate na wankasa on force tenchina person fit team no ayena ma of future as a footballer around etimi perform ye person say ene team bia be compare enim say akwatawe say contract and anase ene say performance konkan na say different team perasa and o behave intimate bema ene nya pote concentrate uye team anase wo contract with team ye feni kasi United enti ns offer some plimfonya trase na so mutimi egitumti abema na nko se omunyintum sa na oswatimi atoso patoma entemotima ye feni kasi United we eye football penia ye fe gepe agbala ho enso tima pantia ye fen eye chese ASANTE Isaac na era metewa sam enso ni atutam ewe tumani so nya sanketokwa enti yankwe we oye penia ye fe Jolly Donnarumma and Jolly Donnarumma Manchester United omania pa na ene reporter fitiman ye fe PH Paris Saint-Germain so ye passe omisi yem fan to twasa kwatarante ene ombetono entama eye tima just our interest our panther so na eye 20 to 25 million euros and moto penia ye fan eye Jolly Donnarumma enti yakanwa sabacha sen eye team Manchester United and our interest about kwatawe muntientwe se Manchester so petimi akọ na omakofo penia ye fe Jolly Donnarumma from Pobokwa ye fe PH na pepia enso atimi aikama etwe ayen command e from pametewa sam enso temao e wo tumade family mi mami na yemfa yenko video so na yemfa se de bianso etimi enya kama enso nti fama kurmami no chese yentos enfan fro na pepia enso etimi kama Losky Facebook no so mami we penia ye fe Ronaldo
oh say Ronaldo
yes, Ronaldo say there
okay afina obe wale ana
yes say there bibia official
oh okay
yes say bibia official
atwempna na che
na what we say ring na okoto edem $5 million and they say oba no
Oh, okay.
5 million.
Ring now the show ban.
Yes, ring now the show ban. Yes, the ball no.
Hey.
$5 million.
Wow.
Ronaldo.
Wow.
Was so bad when young papa.
Wow. I feel no be wale.
Yes, I feel no be wale.
Hey. That day.
Man for more pressure.
And I know be wale.
And the be no be wale.
The be no be yes. Come for the crying yeah. I say a block for the I no more pressure no form.
Yes, on pressure no form.
Ba o hwe ye de ne de abusia free cry top pressure. And that be no obey no ho ade. That be no obey wale no. Hey.
Alanso ma wo 4 or bibisa. Ma wo 4, o mo nkwana 4. And sustain na empratwe.
Oh, okay. Empratwe.
Yeah, the ring in a share no.
Wow.
$50 million.
$50 million.
$5 million rather. 5 million.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
5. A bagger is come on. You view her. Now see it to me because you say $1 million.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, show my gun and you know. Yeah, they are top ring back for $5 million.
Kawana say Ronaldo they share a wife for no. 5. Okay.
$5 million.
Ayepa.
And a dahona nyasa kitoko.
Okay.
Georgina Rodriguez.
Yeah, when not nache.
Yes, o mata nache pa.
When not nache pa. Waboa no amane Kelly Anson bibia ye kama.
Obane tanachi support no. Ba bio ko bia. Ono no kase nkwa no di nachi.
Oh yeah.
O kase nkwa of Manchester.
Yeah.
Eko Real Madrid.
Yes.
Spain no. From Spain, omuko Italy. Juve. From Juve there, you say oh hoden keye. Ronaldo man buy so hum to Saudi Arabia.
They were didn't buy Manchester.
Yes, starting by Manchester United.
Or
England.
Manchester, yes.
Obama ni no buy the Ednachi.
Oh yeah, baby
obekobia. Ronaldo ka say nyisia Obama say mate. Honey, please.
Oh yes, say Obama was say ya na oh yeah.
Yes.
The bema beken bia na wagia tu. Se be boa nko dia o se otumi gituma. Bibia ye kan.
Obani obasi no bia hwe na brabo.
Oh yes.
Obasi no bia hwe because of support e wo dwuma bia wo yemu a.
Bibia ye kan kama. The say Ronaldo. You see ade onya shekawa.
Yeah, o shekawa no. Kawana
we di dimache.
Kawana she yemi abai nsan.
Okay. F dia.
Kawana F.
We diamond and say good.
Na dabi o ade aye $5 million there. That's a very good.
Good.
Very good.
Okay.
Good. But also be our favorite.
Oh yeah.
Obi won my pay good. Obi pay diamond.
Oh yeah.
Obi also pay silver cra. But Ronaldo did the way that they big good no there. E be good because of
very good.
Then they do trophy papa. It is say the Ronaldo be a come on.
Okay, o share obane combination so.
Yeah.
Na so Maria share no.
Yeah.
And atade na share no na.
What's the border so no ne white.
Oh yeah. Na just ade fufu de obane pe.
Yeah, obane pe. What twi no what twi e konso ana o tafuna no ho. Obane ho fe.
Oh yeah, nice.
Obane ho twa papa.
Nice pa.
Yes. Na no de on horo ho. Na no so obe fina no on horo ho.
Obi wife de men kan fone sa. E obi wife no. Ana weni wom.
Oze oba mani wom gba nya de menyanti.
Okay.
Susu kan for the kak.
Susu kan for no. Ey halam
ene no kre.
Halam say obi wife.
Yeah, obe kan for be wife.
Obe kan for be wife.
Kan for be wife be aso afa no. Nti Ronaldo mpacho aya for wade.
Okay.
It's Losky. The last one. Na Vinicius akotini su. Yes, Vinicius akotini su.
Okay.
Yes, wakusu.
Na Jesus soon ye no.
Yes.
John 11:35.
Yes.
Jesus soon.
Ebuga manen fantos mame. On fa ba contos mame video bi me the picture bi ama no before say about video no so. Nti na on fa Vinicius.
Okay.
Ensu na Vinicius on say omo game omo friend match bi bonde.
Okay.
Na and omo you training no. And na Vinicius enya akọ. Say on an hour tete no from few pepe mamina collapse.
Oh
yes. And that Facebook no so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But so nyam free mu.
Oh nyam free mu.
Oni nyam nka no ho na bibia be fine.
Yeah. Ti obra tini super.
Suno.
Suno uso what dem some papa over nti.
Okay, we escafo so ana.
Yes. Na be there. Yes, Kafosun.
Sir.
Yeah.
So we scanty no. Say,
we should is comfortano in fact.
Say, you move in a two yanka bue. We don't mean no sir.
We emotional.
Yeah.
So light one be.
Yeah.
Today send to Ronaldo. Vinicius wakusu kakra ti ne kwa training kwa no almost stop your man and trust be.
Oh, okay.
Nti no fa video no ma me ne emphasize Losky pay na money abel video na that Facebook no so yes Carlos Baleba only crabo no yes small pass no aha we so be to attend boko yes
onumbo ne bo
Carlos Baleba nti money akwa nimbo
one kobi menu omo future no de kebe boa ye papa wo mfimfini ho
bo mo pa
kobi menu
obenyane asem no
ene obeba
obenyane asem
ba de obeba because team na ye na kono pa team obeba
yes
obeba enche ye hwe ne nim se obetima beka team no na
yeah
bibia ye kama
eti de Losky
okay
esem doso ne wa me fancy na woni ebuga nto so mfanfanti Carlos Baleba one so ne de no so ti balance one Tottenham for say and omo team no also mo team recruitment
okay
na and omo twese advantage fen eberechi ezel and advantage fen Savio
ometimi ato
yes ometimi ato Savio because
okay
on say already advantage fen son him in call
yes
nti was so mo team a better replacement
okay
edema Sapri nti eberechi ezel you say academy Crystal Palace
okay
and advantage fen Savio
okay
of team a fen Man City eno amede ono ho de ba nti latest no advantage fen eberechi
okay
ya mo hwe so mo sabi team aka brante no Edema fen Tottenham Hotspur
fantastic
Lebian so to make Losky
yeah that's it
mama fan sanin papa mo into so fan fio no
okay ma yana wase ewie prof na otene kada sports professor amanfo kro so nsem na wajebre ayenwa adwumade amaye no de aka no Bogati so transmit corner fe ya jebre na odonso my update about a transfer eguswa etweguno now Starboy was watching the show live and cry at Half Mem Airport and ononso de ne diaba na Milito the sports doctor ma yenchao enewie onfa show we ni agrokra Milito chema was watch out
yeah me so
Milito the sports doctor
na Losky ona Alexander Isaac Losky utwa akwada na semo a aye hu kakra o
say all Liverpool na
so Liverpool on say no why not be so no nya de say obesia kama Newcastle biem
okay
patwati ase eti o ma training ama mpanifo do pina no ne kasa say de wo ye de Losky only team no contract o wacha o sign 6 years
okay
from where to side that
yes.
6 years 3 years ago aka miensa ti we den ka bo to asoma ye ati ase na nka yempe offer bi kura mo du kakra ma bet mpempe wo je ekwan mu a
ebe ha adwene
ebe ha ekwan
okay
na Losky player nanka decide say ono team ho no ommo biem jesi nankasa on hye biem on si ho kra mesi akan biem
okay
na Losky ade ba akoma hu say wiase no Losky player bia bobola ana sa brabo ye bo bia pese obo koduru ba bia obenya din ana obenya sika tina ye bre
sika
sanete
ya na akoyiska
na Losky me share list of players on Newcastle omunya hiafo
there be
since the year 2021 na Saudi for no ebe so tisika eba team but what is the kabe busa say e sikantina Isaac pese okwa na
no
nemom Losky 1 nyedika aye fame
team ne kesi na
team ne kesi ye ne nipa ne din a wo se ogie
okay
Losky your certain club ebi wo ho a se usi mu akan a ebe di se bete wonka
okay
Newcastle for about Champions League no problem
yeah
but Losky oje teams na ye bo Champions League a ye rank o muso mbetuma je Newcastle kan ho bi the last time mutumi call Champions League run with the year 2003 Alan Sharam time
oh yes
the bro mu call Champions League not the jubilation ko ho de no mu di trophy na san kura de
oh yeah
na ye Losky at ye club a trophy ho je Losky aye din
okay
na Losky secondly over sika players na jiwo Newcastle Losky Bruno Guimaraes now to be what do 160,000 pounds a week
160,000
pounds a week Bruno Guimaraes midfielder secondly Anthony Gordon 150,000 pounds a week now to be at a year power the Otosumiensa Jolinton 150,000 pounds a week the Otosu 9 Sandro Tonali
Ishak Nyambem okay
120,000 pounds a week
okay
Ishak Etosu num
okay also just say
also the 120th said ye Jolin Tolali eje
okay
ti ohun wo se Losky aduma me ye no
nye ho akete na waje
na meje
okay
etikebe anka mo ma me nko but what I say and only problem we woman no na Losky so Sweden minor since as that time Ibrahimovic a movie free team man so retire from football no
okay
omo say only the focal point for the national
only the face of
yes Sweden minor
okay
Losky Nakopon ya Adam Sweden minor enya quality players for this season Losky share Anthony Elanga of Sweden Losky DJ Victor Jokeres on team amechi
okay
the Jan Kuliseski the same thing and Sana Isaka but team no try nim hodi akejetu atwo
hoye ja
eti kromo for kwa campaign san konko Liverpool
na ne dinim pejamo
na Losky ansa na obeje titles title grade a team ni na aje but one kasa wo hono individual die na wo so wo gidi ama wo
okay e ba na si ye bodin a Etin ben ye dey ball.
Sanity. Enti Hurricane. E bra na hospital no what dey golden boot nyina but so ni team e kan wo magic title no. What's the problem?
Ze wakonya bi age.
Sanity. Losky na Adeba kwa Liverpool for year ya amo mo ni say. Liverpool ve pro mo ko sani Hugo Ekitike ntentem dodo.
Okay.
Omo pro mo because Losky here Salah ebo wins. But what I say, Luis Diaz kwa so mu jana man ko.
Oh yes.
Kodi Capo ebo wins. Down Nunes now obo number 9 no, matwa no man ko. Ti replacement here hwan obi ani hobiem.
Na akoye din dia mo.
Ti omo hia the target man which is Isaac.
Number 9.
Ti na adwuma na ye din no.
Okay.
Losky Isaac de wa kire me atia say he's a player so obetim kese mu a.
Obi adwuma no.
Losky Jolinton, Bruno Gumares, Sano Tonale mo kura mfimfin wo no. O hye mo goals. Now Benya McAllister, so both lie.
And your
goals be full a lot. And Liverpool, Losky, a big club. David and Newcastle for EPL. David and Newcastle for player Losky, but trusting Ballon d'Or cry ye Karaboko movie. Now, in terms of marketing wise, Losky, the Bay Nabanya. Me say, he says, be a Liverpooler. And Kadian call Ninkany.
Oh, yeah, and can dinner page for now.
Tis a wire so brache.
Okay.
Losky. Among for Castle Kabaya, woman from Nankonkusia Kaimano Castle.
We don't come more a season be cramo woman.
That's how I see it.
Okay.
Losky on says so new and a new club. Now the woman is so ye players na so movie club from one. Among for Betchem say, Quenya for us move out from the team of free mobile.
One for Papas.
One for Papas. With the major war, there will be a time. Miss Smith faces the same problem.
The Nigeria by a ding.
The General Losky 3 years in there. Now him. Adeba akoma player no so twen Newcastle for aso ne say edu brebi o kache Newcastle for so no to pack atuantumu
no mu twi o mani
o mukase da bi wo kura ball na abon ha nyankopo aya na table no so atene abisi ne so
adena sesa
no se nem se ball no magimi din ti basa mo mame Losky sometimes we play na so we nya abotre Adeba ko 50-50
okay
ubetima movie from the team no it's successful
gambling
ubetima movie na o carry akosai
okay
call Luka Modric o ko Losky then Levy in the coin was so about then Levy Jai Luka Modric ko no Losky ye huri akwaji ye so je Ballon d'Or Ousmane Dembele fi Dortmund ba na ye ntokwa beto ba he we de basa we de kusi
ye
afu dwan se PH Antoine Griezmann the same thing oba Barcelona oba de Nantes Losky players won ma from dia ko mo je se ye
but Newcastle for so munya replacement player be sin anan why did you mo mountain ka be ya player and international kaka
that's the only problem Newcastle for ehun ade we ntem bet o man tu one amount one omuko Hugo Ekitike ho
okay
na Liverpool for kotam ye no kwa de two ma wo no
yes
so what the make
o ma to asepa
player Hugo Ekitike na ye ne ke fa no ma be fa no ko essence di success ko piso second lo musa ko Benjamin Sesko so also amfa Manchester for team modern foi akwakotam no
of Manchester about Newcastle
Manchester for team modern foi akwakotam no
of Manchester about Newcastle
the Losky yeah pan sana o kan at least 3 years then ko mo ba ko bi and Adeba ko Newcastle for one say o mo ba ko say mo Losky player we pa no ma to na board o mo ntie sika to player ne board nti sa na te de obekọ de ati the only tracker Losky Isaac be movie out from the team they say player beba
okay so
player matia e be thing
na oboy ne ko si idea na am found
Jackson then o masa atia da o 50 crowd say price tag crowd 50 million pounds but Newcastle for no e mu fie biem
o me so mo hwe sha caliber no a hwe boy ni kodi na wasa ade no
ye who part da bia go money best na ade na mfa ba ni ko sinke beboa ni kodi alice o ma go kra season be 15 ye ka betimi 15 goals Losky
ye ntwa transfer ni kakra na ye mbe fie
enya pa Losky na
ye medi fie nkombo
ye share from Brighton na Losky Brighton for coach the friend is Fabian Huizela na Losky onim say preseason a omu boy nyina no abebi ombo game bia na omobusa na Baleba ho sensem ye kosen na Losky asama coach yi kan say Baleba kwa replacement wo ho. That's the only thing.
Na say Brighton for there in terms of midfielders there. What do you say? Omo enye dagba. Oh, okay.
Losky so far the coach in Swati.
Okay.
Si cancel there that was on betam there money fast.
Si cancel there kako fa no.
Bet
Manchester.
Si ka wa mo kota. Who say na nka bossa for be say o mo ton no. And I Nigo Martinez ko Anacel.
Yes.
Tomato Cruz quite Christian money gas amo. And the Kubas no. That's the problem.
Okay.
The bossa for the 60 million euros. So Liverpool for bet my first there then 60 because you judge more within the season be red card there. One more crowd there be there ho. Initially yet to say sika bia ba for Vinicius Junior.
Saudi for
na sabe biem. No mu ba e dia.
Omo sika say.
Number 10 jersey.
Omo sika say.
Number 10 jersey. Kylian Mbappé lotin.
No David na dia momo nko ho.
Oh.
Mbappé de
player bia yeto.
Mbappé de mfa.
Player bia yeto.
Mbappé de mfa.
Adentia.
Na Mbappé target nyansa obeje UEFA Champions League.
Sure.
And it free PSG eba Madrid. Na Saudi hono kwaje Champions League.
Oh so kwa me you betimi aba. Na Losky de hu kra ne se
bedre nyasam keto.
Na Losky ade na Saudi for ye no ma hyeda omu toto ba santi ye hwe ba ko a ekwa beda ho. On say Vinicius je nyame nko a.
Nkoko ye.
Ankoko enti say de Mbappé Losky. Asabe nyame santi ye hwe de besie. Na Losky yenko Barcelona.
Okay.
Losky se hwe naki pena. Eric George we Ghana ni nana kwa no aboniti. Kwa da ketwa be 19 wa sha say boy scare benti.
No boniti.
Na Losky ade ba ko ehu ni say so Aleno Ganacho badia
obeko
then Tarek George be move out from the team.
Oh, okay.
And that's obeko lo ana say maybe be turn outright.
Okay.
Now Losky no na sporting director am so sell market and tie pa. Sporting director do Manchester United Jason Wilcox. Na sama wa kan dey hu kakra.
Okay.
Ye busa ne say ya te say Ganacho person move out from the team. Oko Chelsea. Asema o kan ye ni o. O say Ganacho one
no kra na worker
no ya I heard the corner
o kan kra
Chelsea bia no na for Hanemfa
oh say Chelsea for so betima manage no
ye ne
on say you
manage players
ye wo obia na sunu ne ban ye kura no
tie ne ye kwese no
yes ye wo nipa bi wo
mo de mo ntimi
otie
okay
ye wo ni
afi no transfers ne be hu because Chevalier ban ti say do no masi 26 years pen player na di
okay
now let's report am in say kan ne say
City for do mo agim
adena ye hu
oh okay
asemi na no na let's on say area PSG for test player na die
okay
omuni na wie ti City for na for now omuni say Ederson Moraes be ko and to replacement no should be Donnarumma now let's PSG for catch omu say 50 million euros for the goalkeeper 50 million
oh okay
aka ne 1 year next year sama wo sika bi da ba bia
oh yeah be fa
and ya mon kwa fa because Chelsea for fast in Kotono Chelsea for sorry I City for fast in Kotono da bi ya kwa free omo ka sika na Chelsea for dwane
sika na so
so Robert Sanchez or Jorgensen to Chelsea any problem Losky na Manchester obi ni fancy o Manchester so ya Losky die wo mu nie
okay
Manchester for sporting director bi Carbon the Jason Wilcox no and Manchester Sans so director of recruitment
okay
Christopher Vivel na terie pa enura anopa obi na morim akwa champion for me no we say
o de akoto mani o masin kunya
me na adwuma ne me ye mo jebi di na mo de maba na mo player pa me hian mprempren Carlos Baleba
obeboa no
na waka search mu say one player no betuma control midfield obesan so the ball na control kwada nimti ye defend ye carry ball no ni nyina
ye
nti o two defensive setup ne woni mu
okay nipa baako
oye
nyuma bebre
o san to ball no to ne na no a o san pushi kwada nim
o san se ye ko bibini ni age ni san so wo form pa
Losky adim san ka wan kase kan na o so wonya ju say dia
David say o kana me de bi to so
some crazy Losky te di omu no
okay
coach ne chese sa player we die let's go nyana adwuma na si
okay
ti say ultra da man panfo me we ne say
okay
me dia me so me panie me hwe team na baleba be boa me
okay
team wo gire say bi na na chena de
omon faxi kan kwato o mani
serious omon tu kwan contentem enko di wujuma Losky obeboa obadia obeboa betie ne nso ye na si form a
okay
70 tibet me malaria betuma che no Losky finally on so ko Liverpool Federico Chiesa on say last season na omko shine baaye
okay
na se say no Losky akoda no obekọ onko bibisa Losky man breaking na hama say wokon agent your friend say Folly Ramadani na only Liverpool company for transfer no dia kosie nie almost say down the net and move out from the team
okay
Luis Diaz so caught by the Munchen and the Federico Chiesa here Losky yen ton you be man at
or your buying book
sure it on say heading FA Cup
okay
Champions League ti ada sala bit my plan bit my yare na Federico Chiesa ho Losky no eden no aba be shim so far Federico Chiesa there we Liverpool there na Losky player no tete onyanko Losky
that's it yem fable na kan refie na ye medi fie enkomo ye ba be di congress mu nkomo congress no eguso na ye ba na etweguo for na de o mawie na nkomo kakra ye nsa ka ofudie mi ha no ye ba bedane ye kire e de ma ye natiefo a ye tie dwumadie na before say ye ba fie ye hwe na aboafo no ye nyi ba komie no bi influence pa ye nyina ya jato bia no bi weda we maka cho say obenom nsuo na say wa mo ani na ho ankope nsuo a ya ji atuma FDA fo asen ase ye density natural mineral water say nsuo we in American wasam de a kire wie enti ye tiefo adane de nyina ye ne mo edi dwuman say open super anom Emma typhoid fever why the one free in some dia a density natural mineral water insuno and American for Eddie Mayam for an inchromo and number 27 new rich and water now so me part of main road and how more airport juma me about to wait me from penny 4 0596 6047 fet influenza bar na nyamesu no krani ubecho bet Emma wotoma ye de enche na investors ye ba be disika baby ba ko pa ye betwa ye bet no e bet way me about to utwa na wo de adwene ene nyansa enso de ato ho na bibianso no etimi aye kama Gaming Commission of Ghana enso ajetum asenase ema bibianso no etimi konkan the big family enterprise abusia we so efo na won sabetimi aka na deep freezer na opa won sabetimi aka bi a tabletop fridge okwacho de na television type by inches by sia baby a phone filling station wana omu airport chuma na money 0243 920371 na me pa chonso no what's me afre na V1 Pro Smart aya glasses aya hwehweniwa ehwewani a mepacho yenkonya beble enya life ono kwa na wodebo aya hwehweniwa ehwewani a mepacho ebonwom edegu yasomo eno achio no yesanso de year calls mepacho yesanso de tie voice notice ni yesanso de year photograph ye charge ne charge anso no edi achire na mo ne 0243 675188 na mepacho onso no what's me afre KIT Solutions and if you mean country ye tiefo a ye per quality mobile phones at all just ye ko kumase ne yakona open Samsung phones Infinix and a Techno phones inano onsa ebetimi akabi okwa kwaje SR 64 gig your 128 gig iPhone 11 your 64 gig and a 128 gig na iPhone 12a Pro no and a 12 Pro Max ni nyina no a 128 gig and a okwa kwaje na iPhone 14 Pro Max and the aka nyina no okwa won sabetimi akabi awa sehwetwonas me pacho dina GPLC you for do mojuma wo no ana so many mekom ene die nim hwe na mo ne 0245 40 4140 na me pacho won so wetimi afre power specialist eba hospital eye apomden aso ye o machuma paint no jabuma ba so emprema akoma kwankono so na eba nse habitat BCA ne die me pacho ne die omo edimu juma pa eye fa eno na bema wodi dia grow on pressure eno na bema wodi dia grow on pem no ban ne ache ho me pacho na mo ne 0244 54 44 22 na me pacho won so wetimi afre boss mu na me pacho won so wetimi afre boss macro credit ebon se macro credit ebon se kasam de me pacho mo ena eboa yei ma yen kasam de me pacho mo ena eboa yei ma yen kasam nyina yes save